Hey Sigmas, how it's going? Hope everything is just alright. So I got silver play button on 1st April, but I don't have time to unbox it. So now on 19th April I am unboxing it. We don't have scissors, we are going to use screwdriver to cut a tape. So here we go. Let's open it. Special thing about it is there is no other silver play button in which word Sigma included in name. So here is form and letter from YouTube. We don't going to read it. And card from Society Awards. Here is our silver play button. This is actually bigger than I expected to be. There is something more in back. Let's see. It's cleaner or one more card. Recognize your team written on it. We are not going to read it also. And there is cleaner, as I said before. Maybe more than one in this packet. And this is our silver play button. It's shiny and looks good on wall. So that's it for today. New video will be start uploading soon. Goodbye.